This is part 2 with Chase and Nick. You can hear how severe it is by the, I don't know, maybe the sirens going off. And now you can have a little better view. Here, wait. No, wait, we need to keep the light on.
Light and stuff.
So how do you like my room?
Messy.
Chase, that's not your voice.
Messy.
Shut up.
Messy.
Your mouth. Thank you. Set them popcorn kernels.
Paper clips.
Agent P.
It's this guy.
Like I said, don't go making fun of our ADHD, okay? You have ADHD. We have to express ourselves. Express ourselves. Oh, by the way.
Take it off.
Nipple juice.
Okay then.
Okay then.
I see you.
By the way, in part 1, I don't know why I was singing hyper yada 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 Chase.
Excuse you. It's not actually that bad of a storm. It just. Look at that.
Oh, wow! Let's go get the wow!
Oh, just a cat.
Oh.
And a wow! No, get back
Wow! Get back here, wow! Wow! Get back here! Wow! Hey, wow! How you doing, wow? We found a way to upload the videos, Mom. Hey, wow! Woo! Hey, guess what? Well, this is a part 2. Earthquake!
Earthquake on there looked like an Olympic sign, didn't it?
I know.
Oops, didn't break it.
Oh, look at. I bet you, I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, that's what it looks like. It doesn't it look like rain is dripping down there, doesn't it? All right, time for Chase.
Oh crap! Sorry, I
Oh
dropped
my
it.
God, Chase.
Well, back to what we were doing. We're Pikachu. Do. Pikachu. Pikachu's the puberty. It's getting kind of intense nowadays.
Just like Justin Bieber. Oh, the siren's going
Justin
off,
Bieber's
which
not
means
gonna
it's time for Chase and Nick. Peace out, fool.